this video, I'm going to show you how you can access Grok AI for as low as $2 instead of the normal $48, which is extremely expensive. Yes, $2. And in Naira, that is just like 3,000 Naira. So yes, if you're in Nigeria, I'm going to be showing you how you can access Grok AI, which is an amazing tool that everybody loves. I'm going to show you how you can access it for just 3,000 Naira, depending on the package you want. And no, this is not fake. This is not a scam. And it's not one of those things that will stop working tomorrow. So lately, a lot of people rushed into Grok AI because it was actually free at some point. And honestly, that's exactly how most people got in. But right now, if you try to access it again, you will notice it is no longer free. And this is exactly where a lot of people get stuck. Because when they check the profile, if you go to the page right now and then you try to create something, you're going to see subscribe. And the amount they're asking you to subscribe is extremely huge. 48,000 Naira per month. What if I tell you don't need to pay up to that amount? Now, there is a smarter way people are using right now to access Grok AI. And most people don't even know this exists. So here's how it works. So Grok AI is actually inside X, formerly known as Twitter. And to access Grok AI, you need to subscribe to premium version of X. Now, here's where the trick comes in. Instead of going for the full expensive plan, you can actually choose a lower tier or regional pricing option depending on your country or payment method. In some cases, this can actually drop the price down to around $2 or $5. So I'm going to go over to my screen right now and show you how you can actually access Grok AI from X so that you can pay as low as $2 or $5. Without much being said, let's dive right into it. So this is my Google. I'm just going to click on this X right here. Just search for X. It's going to bring you to that interface. Now, once it brings you to this X, so this is what the interface looks like. For those that are not familiar with X, okay, this is formerly Twitter. Now, if you come right here, just look above. You're working with the profile, right? Look above here. You're going to see your profile. Tap on the profile. Now, once you tap on your profile, you're going to be welcome to this interface. You're going to see profile, follow, premium, list, communities, and all of that. So our focus is on this premium right here. Okay, so if you click on this premium here, you're going to be welcome to all the packages. Okay, like I said, the reason why we are here is so that we can subscribe to the premium version of this, so that we can then access Grok AI and start using it without paying a huge amount of money. Now, if you come here, oh, they're even doing a promo, right? You can see don't lose your 50% discount on premium. Now, normally, you're going to pay 48,500 Naira for Grok AI monthly. I'm even talking from experience because even before they started saying, even while it was free, I usually subscribe to the 48,000 Naira. Now, instead of paying 48,000 Naira, you're going to be paying just 3,800 Naira right now that it is on promo, right? Now, normally it is 7,600 Naira, but you're paying 3,800, okay? So these are all the things you're going to be getting. You're going to be getting access to verified checkmark for the X. You're going to get access to enhanced Grok. You're going to get enhanced Grok access, right? Okay. Now, this is the basic version. They now have the basic version, which is just 3,050 Naira monthly. Okay, now these are all the things you're going to get access to: small reply boost, bookmark folders, and all of this. But you are not going to get access to Grok when you subscribe to this 3,050 Naira. Please listen to this very well. You're not going to get access to this when you subscribe to 3,050 Naira, because this is what a lot of creators are not talking about. They will just tell you to subscribe to any package on X and that you're going to have access to Grok. I made that same mistake when I started. Okay, I went to go and subscribe to 3,050 Naira and I could not have access to Grok. You can see there's nowhere it is written here you can have access to Grok. So if you now come down here, you're now going to see another one, which is our business is not even here because this one is expensive, right? For this one now, you're going to have access to, this one is 30,195 monthly. Of course, this is expensive, right? Our business is not here. Now, if you subscribe to this one, you're going to be getting fully ad-free Grok, Super Grok, which is worth 30 USD per month. Okay, and these other things, these are what you're going to be getting as well. Now, but our focus is on this first one. Now, on your phone, you can actually see 7,600 Naira. In fact, it was 7,600 Naira for this one. This is the premium package. They have the basic package, they have the premium package, and then they have the premium plus package. Don't subscribe to the basic package. The basic package is just 3,050 naira, which is also $2 depending on your country, right? And then this one is also $2 depending on your country as well. So what you are literally paying here is 3,800 naira. Instead of paying 48,000 naira for Grok, you are paying 3,800 naira. Just subscribe to this premium package, okay, and you can have access to Grok. Okay, all you need to do is to just click on subscribe. Once you click on subscribe and pay, input your details and all of that, and after that simply go over to your Grok. So let me open my Grok right now and show you what I'm talking about. That is after you've subscribed, you've made your payments. Okay, you simply come over to Grok. So this is my Grok right here. You can see I already have access to Super Grok. I have access to Super Grok already. I can do anything with it. But let me log out and show you what your interface is going to look like immediately you make your payment. Okay, so I'm just going to log out. Okay, now once you make your payment and then you open your app, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to tell you to continue with Google, continue with email, or continue with X. Now remember, you made payment through X. So once you come here, all you're going to do is continue with X. Continue with X. And then authorize the app. Once you authorize the app, you have gotten access.